Hi, this is Kaushik and I welcome you to another Autocad 2021 tutorial episode number 8. Today we're gonna learn about blocks and groups in Autocad. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay up to date. So let's begin. If you go to Insert, you will find Create a Block. If you click that, a window will pop up. Here the first thing is you need to give the base point, the second is you need to select the object, and the third one is you need to define the behavior of the object. You can also change the units depending upon the drawing. So first we're gonna give a base point, so we will press the pick point and we're gonna click anywhere. Say I want this as my base point and left click over that. Then second comes the select the object, so I'm gonna select the object. After selecting the object, press enter. Okay, now for the behavior, if you cancel allow exploding, you can't edit your blocks after that, so let it remain like that. And here you can give a name, say bus, and here you can write your description about the object. Now press OK. So now it's a block. If I make multiple copy of that, okay, and if I edit any one of the blocks, for edit you need to press double click left button of your mouse and it will open the edit block definition window. So now you need to press OK and it will take you to edit window. Now here you can edit the drawing. Say I want to add the tire look good, so let me edit the drawing. So let's add some bumper here at the back side also. Oh, it went. Now say let's add a window here. Okay, one door. Let's add some window here also. Okay, let me do the easy one. Auto. After you have finished the edit, you need to close block editor. It will ask save the changes to bus or discard the changes and close the block editor. We're gonna save the changes. As you can see, I have edited only one object, but it has what applied in all the objects. So it's very useful for drawing large project where you can edit a particular object and get the desired result over all the objects. So that's how you can create a. If I select any one object, you can see only one object has got selected. Now what is groups? If you want to select an object, you can see only one object has got selected. Okay, in that way sometimes it may cause problem if the project is large. So we need groups which allows us to select multiple objects of the same properties. So let me show you. First select the object, then type group and your group has been created. Now if I select one object, everything will get selected since I have selected all the objects. Let me show you once more time. Wait, undo. Let me undo this. First select the object which you want to create as a group, then type group and press enter. It will show 6 found unnamed group has been created. So if I select one object, all the objects having similar properties or which I have commanded the Autocad to consider as one group, it will get selected automatically, and if you edit any one, it will get affected over all the objects. Okay, so that's the difference between block and group. So practice all this and let's meet in the next tutorial.